Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how you can make this cool trim path animation in After Effects that will level up your editing game. So without delaying, let's begin. At first, take a line as you want, click to this icon, then go to Add, Trim Path, open Trim Path, set a keyframe, move 7 to 5 frames backward and set the keyframe to 0. Now you have this animation, but as we can see it's not that smooth, so make it a little smoother. We can press F9 and open the graph editor, then pull the right side. Now we have something like this, and if that doesn't come to your, and make sure here in your graph editor you have the speed graph editor, edit speed graph enabled, and make sure in your graph editor you have the edit speed graph enabled. And to make the line dotted, you can go for stroke 1 dashes, click the plus icon, and you have the dashes. Now you can just adjust them as you want. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.